Today I'm going to show you how to cook farm quail masala fry. For 4 numbers of quails, I've taken 6 to 7 almonds, whole spices, ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped onions, turmeric, coriander, red chili powder, salt and curd. Now take 2 tablespoons of ghee in a hot pan. Pour inside the diced onion. Now we have to saute the onion for a few minutes till it becomes golden brown in color. See, this is the perfect texture of onion which we have got here. Now let's make a paste of fried onion and almonds in a mixer. Now that we have made a paste, let us put some whole spice in a hot oil and saute it nicely for 30 seconds. Now it's time to put inside the quails. We have to stir fry it properly for a couple of minutes. Now cover the lid for 5 minutes and then open it. Sprinkle some pepper inside and stir properly. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste into it. Now we can see the change in texture and color, crispy and golden. Now this is the time to add some coriander powder and turmeric powder. And add some salt according to your taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And then stir it properly. Add little water so that masala doesn't stick below the pan. Friends, this is farm quail and in Hindi we call it pater. It is easily available in the market and is very delicious also. But one should know how to cook it properly. Please see this video complete so that you can cook it at your home. Now after stir frying it properly, we have to add a glass of water into it and then mix it a little bit. And leave it covered for 5 to 7 minutes under medium flame. Open the lid after 7 minutes and stir a bit. Now add 2 spoons of curd into it and mix it well. And now you add fried onion and almond paste. Now under high flame, saute it for 30 seconds. And add now garam masala into it. Now give it a final stir and let us check the meat, whether it is cooked properly or not. Yes, it has been cooked properly. And now let us add some kevda water essence and then garnish it with some coriander leaves and cover it for about 3 minutes, and then our dish will be absolutely ready. Friends, if you like my quail masala fry recipe, then please give it a thumbs up to the video and please subscribe to my channel also. Friends, I have also made some lachha parathas to eat with this delicious quail masala fry. And now I am going to eat this. really superb. Exotic taste. This is lachha paratha. And also pickle.